Hello, my name is John, and today we'll be reading A Banana Republic, If You Can Keep It, by David Thomas Roberts on Townhall, October 11th, 2019. During a pause at the Constitutional Convention in 1787, Benjamin Franklin stepped outside of Independence Hall to an assembled crowd of onlookers and was asked by Mrs. Powell of Philadelphia, "Well, doctor, what have we got, a republic or a monarchy?" Reportedly, with no hesitation, Franklin replied, "A republic, if you can keep it." The founders would certainly be disheartened to find the glorious representative republic, which was divinely inspired and painstakingly designed, has been steered so far off course it may today resemble more of a banana republic than what was originally crafted in Independence Hall. The hallmarks of a banana republic include, but are limited to, rampant political corruption and conspiracy with the end goal of acquiring or keeping power, massive propaganda via control of the media with the end means to retain that power, financial self-dealings by those in power, including obvious quid pro quo, especially with industry, and assistance from military, intelligence, and police. Many banana republics have come into being via a coup, sometimes violently. Welcome to the United States of America, circa 2019, the new Banana Republic. A fully deranged Democratic Party began their coup attempt the day after President Trump was elected, organizing demonstrations against the newly elected president. Fast forward to today, where the endless investigations and hearsay has reached the level of white noise to the average American who isn't following the hourly outrage politics of the left's lethal version of Trump Derangement Syndrome disease. The corruption of the Democrats isn't new, but the magnitude and velocity is remarkable. During the Obama administration, the scandals were legendary, possibly only eclipsed by the Republicans' feckless efforts in Congress during his administration to indict a single conspirator, despite their endless versions of congressional investigations. The end result: Attorney General Eric Holder, held in contempt of Congress, continued to thumb his nose at congressional subpoenas. Lois Lerner is still drawing a fat pension despite her role in the IRS scandal and cover-up. Despite the loss of life in Benghazi, including our ambassador, no government official was ultimately held accountable for that fiasco and the lying narrative foisted upon the public afterward. Despite lying in front of Congress and the American public about spying on American citizens, James Clapper remains a talking head on almost every leftist cable news channel. Obama's delivery of $1.7 billion in cash to Iran, a sworn enemy of the United States. Obama's possible role in the FISA surveillance of the Trump campaign, dead silence. And of course Hillary Clinton, whose role in the sale of uranium to Russia and the alleged subsequent $145 million payment to the Clinton Foundation reeks of self-dealing. More recently, FBI documents show Clinton wiped more than 340,000 emails from servers, including some marked classified. Yet the deep-state cadre of malcontents within the FBI were central to the unsuccessful Mueller investigation. For those reasons and much, much more, such as illegal immigration, unbalanced trade deals, and endless wars, America turned to populist billionaire Donald J. Trump and elected him president. The Democrats' level of intensity in removing Trump has thrown any sense of caution fairness, or due process to the wind. The drumbeat of investigations has and will continue to increase in frequency and intensity between now and the 2020 election. Why? The Democrats are literally obsessed with hatred for this man, but even more importantly, they absolutely know that his chances of being elected in 2020 are strong, and that scares the you-know-what out of them. Trump is gleefully chomping at the bit to sink his teeth into the final emergent socialist presidential candidate who will run on identity politics, raising taxes to unprecedented levels, and inserting the federal government, socialism, into even more of our daily lives. Like any good banana republic, wherein the state owns the media and thus controls the daily propaganda, the synchronized talking points that pour from the complicit cable news channel is remarkable in their coordination. The same can be said of the new propaganda arm of the left that is fashioned as algorithms in social media and giant tech companies. A banana republic never had it so good without a complete government takeover. This new banana republic has an army of minions embedded as deep state leakers, liars, and operatives that are dangerously dispersed like terrorist cells throughout the federal government, including and especially in the FBI, Justice Department, and the intelligence community. Even the West Wing may have those sympathetic to this coup. The Mueller report was a bust. Their next target was Trump's tax returns, whose release is being fought on several fronts in the courts. We shouldn't be surprised when failing in the courts that Trump's tax returns are also leaked. Delayed on that front by the courts, the alleged whistleblower's claims are the next investigation of this president. And of course, the Democrats knew this was coming. In a typical banana republic modus operandi, the CIA changed the urgent concern whistleblower form ahead of time, so that the first-hand knowledge requirement was removed, paving the way for the current clown show. Now, Speaker Nancy Pelosi and the Democrats are conducting an impeachment inquiry in secret, with at least 6 committees involved, with the Intelligence Committee leading, and contrary to the precedent of previous impeachment inquiries being handled by the Judiciary Committee. When this also fails, there will most assuredly be a new scandal. Meanwhile, there is seemingly zero traction investigating the publicly admitted quid pro quo of Joe Biden and his son, holding up billions in foreign aid to Ukraine to remove a prosecutor investigating his son. Welcome to the 2019 version of the United States of America, the newest banana republic, compliments of the Democrats. This video is a production of the School of the White Crane. Hi, my name is John Brooker. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, and please share this video with family and friends and on social media. May God richly bless you, my beloved.